Hello there. In today's HRX session, you will work on building stronger chest and triceps along with some animal-inspired moves. This workout focuses primarily on muscle gain and stamina with an element of strength involved as well. You'll be doing 12 minutes of warm-up, 4 minutes setup, 20 minutes main workout, 6 minutes primal moves, and 8 minutes stretching. You'll be doing 10 reps of tricep kickback, which will develop the tricep muscle and improve the arm pull. 40 seconds of star jumps to increase stamina. 15 reps of bridge hold pullovers, which will strengthen upper chest and abs. 30 seconds of SPHINX push-ups to strengthen the arms and abs. Altogether, you will do 4 to 5 rounds of these movements, followed by 6 minutes of animal workout and stretching. Enjoy your workout.